All right, everyone, let's get started. Thank you very much for joining me in this video. Now, Bull Market Watch is what you're seeing here. I put this on purpose so you can, if you're new to this channel, yes, it's called IPO Market Watch. So that's my YouTube channel. But I also have a channel called Bull Market Watch, which is my Discord channel. So if you want to join us, the link will be in the comment section below. Now, this video is about OPRA, all right? OPRA, if I pronounce it right. That's how we say it here in Greece. So OPRA is what we're going to focus on. It's a web browser and a little more than just a web browser. It's actually a pretty cool company. It's trading on the NASDAQ and doing very well year to date. So we're going to get into that. But before we get into that, let me show you some examples about Bull Market Watch. All right. So today you may have noticed that ZURA Bio exploded. It went from $6 all the way up to $35 US, right? 35, 38. So that's a huge explosion in just one trading session, right? If you were in my Discord on March 2nd, 2023, you would have gotten this information. You could have clicked on it and so on. It's a Seeking Alpha article, I get it, but on my Discord, I have instant live right away news as soon as they come out, the split second they come out on from various platforms, whether it's Seeking Alpha or Market Watch and many other platforms. It's all in the Discord, so it's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome. Besides chatting with hundreds of other traders who are very knowledgeable, you don't have to go anywhere. I mean, right in that Discord, right into one app, you have all the news. It's pretty cool. So you would have known about ZURA. But if that wasn't enough for you, we do have a member in Discord who is very knowledgeable with SPACs, very knowledgeable, and it's JK. And JK on 12 days later after the post, so that was on, like I said, March 2nd, 12 days later on March 14th, JK left this information here, which pretty much explained why he thought that ZURA Bio was a good SPAC. What happened to ZURA Bio? Like I said, today it exploded from $6-7 US that it was, and basically went all the way up to $35. Now it's at $29.09. All right. How about another one? This was another opportunity. All right. Another opportunity was ticker symbol TZOO, right? So TZOO is actually not new to my Discord. Back on January 5th, 2023, I mentioned TZOO and I said I really like TZOO at $4.90, but I fear that the market today didn't come to terms with what the Fed had said, so I'm going to stay out of it. Well, that same day, TZOO went from $4.9 to $5.13. That was on January 5th. But what about today? Well, today, by the way, the 1:04 p.m. you see here is Greek time. I am in Greece, so it states 1:04. That's the Greek time. Go 7 hours back, and that will lead you to the New York time. So it was pretty much pre-market hours. All right. So basically, in pre-market hours today, I told my Discord members that TZOO so far up on earnings, disclosed 5 minutes ago. From what I read, the news on the earnings are good, and right now it is trading at $4.70. So I'm back at it again today, and saying that, you know what, the earnings are good, and it's at $4.70 in pre-market. Here I show a screenshot of the earnings that was during pre-market hours that I left that screenshot, and I said tempted to trade this TZOO currently at $4.70. Well, it's at $5.40 now. So it went from $4.70 in pre-market hours to $5.40 during regular trading hours. So again, another huge opportunity today. Two opportunities today, right? You could have gone through ZURA or you could have gone with Travelzoo. Either way, all right. So that's all, and that's just an example. And there's a lot more on my Discord. If you want to join my Discord, the link will be in the comment section below. Now let's go to OPRA Limited. OPRA is the ticker symbol. $8.65 year to date is doing awesome. The market cap of the company is $769 million. Why do I want to focus on this? Because they had some good news today. But there's also risks, so I'll mention those. I'll mention that at the end of the video. The good news for this company is that OPRA goes live with generative artificial intelligence tools in desktop browser and Opera GX. Let me know in the comment section below if you use Opera browser. I know that it used to be one of the most popular mobile browsers, especially if you had a Nokia way back in the days. So the features include contextual artificial intelligence prompts and sidebar integration of popular GPT-based services. This marks the first stage of Opera's browser artificial intelligence, with plans to move to stage 2 featuring its own browser artificial intelligence engine in the near future. So that's going to be, if you think about it, This news about in the near future with them coming out their own artificial intelligence engine, when that news comes out, it's going to be an opportunity of where the stock will definitely go up a bit. It could go up 10, 15, 20%, depends, right? When that news comes out. The news is good though. Overall, in the long term in 2023, I still think that OPRA is going to do well. OPRA reports record results for the fourth quarter and full year 2022. So that was on February 27, 2023. Q4 revenues grew 33% year over year with an adjusted EBITDA margin of 24% in the quarter. You know what? I think that OPRA is better than Microsoft Edge. That's just my opinion. OPRA gained 16% on earnings beat. That was back on February 27. But they also had, here's the important part. Sure, okay, they beat earnings, so that's good. But what about the 4-year guidance? Their 4-year 2023 guidance is actually very strong and positive. So that's a good thing. If we look at the revenue in 2017, they had $134 million. Fast forward to 2022, $331 million. And one thing that I really like about OPRA Limited is that their total debt is just $7.8 million, which is insane. You look at it and you scratch your eyes and you can't believe it. Total debt just $7.8 million bucks. I don't know. I think that's awesome. This is very healthy. And if we look at the net income, it's at $15 million positive in 2022, which was a huge increase from that of 2021. Same thing from operating cash flow, up 113% from that of 2021 to $56.6 million. Now, the forecast that OPRA Limited is getting is a low of $10, average of 13, and a high of 15 bucks. And this is from analysts within the next 12 months, right? So that's a 12-month forecast. They're very bullish. They give it a buy. Like I said, it's trading at $8.65 right now. And it does have an annual dividend from what it says here. Yes, it does, of 80 cents. So amazing. 80-cent annual dividend for a company who's involved in the tech sector, and a very modern tech sector with artificial intelligence, web browser, and all that. That's, I think it's awesome. It's a really good dividend from what I see.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.
So I think that's a company to not the risk. I forgot the risk. One of the risks that I find in OPRA Limited is that PE ratio. The PE ratio for OPRA Limited is a 61.93. And I remember when I look at that now, I can hear Warren Buffett saying, if you're looking at a tech stock of 30, 35 or higher PE ratio, you're asking for trouble. But at the same time, the PE ratio, it would be better if we knew the forward PE ratio. Doesn't have it here, but if the company is to grow big, and if the company is to grow as they state that they will in their 4-year guidance, then you can justify that, right? So that's that. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about ticker symbol OPRA, and don't forget right now, as I'm looking at CDTX, Cidara Therapeutics is trading at $1.91. I've been talking about Cidara Therapeutics, and I did a video on Cidara Therapeutics when it was 75 cents here on YouTube. Now it's at $1.91, and any moment now, Cidara Therapeutics will have the decision by the FDA. So if the decision is yes, it's good, Cidara Therapeutics goes even higher than $1.91. And if it's not good, obviously it goes down. But I think they're going to get approval. That's just my opinion. And like I said, my first video on Cidara Therapeutics was not long ago at 75 cents. Now it's at $1.91, waiting for FDA approval. It's pretty cool. Thank you very much, and take care, everyone.